Now coming around on this side, here's Curry Mercantile. There's Ghibli, not Ghibli, but Gravely building. I did that a long time ago. This one here, I think that was a little bit more than a year and a half ago. But there's Clark's Wood Products and Oakleaf. But I did this trestle right here, the whole thing. That was a whole series of videos, plus loft candies, these short things right here for other paint. These two shacks, there's a couple of shacks over here. And cigar corner, series of buildings right there. Okay, DPM kits are old. Here's a couple of old kits right here, Dolly's and Wicked Wanda's. I put it next to Merchant Row. And okay, I also did Jack's right there. And here's Merchant Row right here. And here is my stream right here with some fishermen. And there's another one way back there somewhere, I don't know. But then back over here, here's some more kits. There's one, there's Otis, and there's 4 of the Campbell's kits. There's a coaling station. Behind the coaling station is a sand house. There's the oil derrick and the water tank. So that has been keeping me busy, and I haven't run any trains, although I ran these tracks all the way up here, up on the top, you see in the back, and then lower here, and eventually these two tracks are going to meet up at the same height as the top track, but that'll be up over on this side over here. But I have to get ready to start using this stuff here. That's the Mega with the DCC-EX motor shield and the Wi-Fi right there. And then underneath this bubble wrap is the newest thing from DCC-EX that I just received, that I'm going to have to start hooking up so I could start running trains up here. And I think I'm going to do it up here on this end. I'm going to run one end on this side here for DC, and this end up here DCC, and see how that works.